I finally got my 90s style production studio all set up. And at the center of it I have my Akai S5000 Sampler, which worked great except for one small problem. It's a pretty common problem with a pretty easy fix. What happens is you twist the data knob and it just kind of randomly jumps all over your sample if you're queuing it up, or maybe through the alphabet if you're trying to name something. You'll probably be tempted to purchase a replacement part from online, as they seem to be available fairly inexpensive. But if you don't know how to solder, it's probably going to cost you more money than you want to spend to have it replaced at a shop. Luckily for you, I'm going to show you how to fix it, and it's going to be pretty damn easy. Just gently pop this knob off the front of your sampler by pulling it straight out. And then gently bend these pins back with something like a jeweler's screwdriver. Once you bend back all 4 pins, this part comes straight off. I used deoxit on mine. I've also heard you can blow these out with air. You see these thin wires on the inside, they look pretty delicate. I actually wiped these parts off with a Q-tip with a little bit of deoxit on it. And that's pretty much it. It works like a champ now. Deoxit saves the day again. Throw me a like if my video helped you. If you're into retro stuff, check out my channel.